everyone, I'm Sarah, and this is Budgetsew, where we create stylish, fashionable looks as inexpensively as possible. Today, I'm going to show you my brand new Panasonic 360-degree Freestyle NI-WL607 cordless steam iron. Just a quick note before we get started, today I'm wearing Simplicity 2648. The link to the video with that dress is right here at the top of the screen. I didn't buy this iron at a store, but rather I ordered it online with my points for my employer's rewards and recognition program, so it was free for me. You can't go wrong with free when sewing on a budget. Panasonic.com sells this iron for $119, but I saw it on Amazon.ca for $89.99. This iron is fantastic. I just love it. The Panasonic 360-degree Freestyle NI-WL607 steam or dry iron is cordless for ease of use. Panasonic states that this iron is ideal for quilters and crafters because it comes with its own carrying case. The lightweight carrying case and handle let you easily bring your iron and charging base to your crafting workshops. The transparent, heat-resistant carrying case can easily be snapped onto the charging base after use for convenient storage of the iron. To remove the cover case, place the unit on a firm and stable surface. While pulling the case lock hooks to the outside position, lift the cover case to open. This iron has a smooth, non-stick, double-pointed ceramic sole plate that can be moved effortlessly in any direction to eliminate wrinkles and creases from the sleeves, cuffs, collars, slacks, and all my fabric with precision and speed. Its super smooth, non-stick ceramic sole plate evenly distributes the heat to the entire sole plate surface to easily handle a range of dry and steam heat settings. It also eliminates static, even at high temperature levels. It also has a convenient spray mist button that instantly puts an extra shot of moisture exactly where and when you need it to eliminate stubborn wrinkles from folded fabric. It comes with a lightweight detachable water tank, so I never have to take the entire iron to the sink for refills. I simply remove the tank by pressing this button, fill it with water, and then snap it instantly back into place for fast, no-spill refills. It also has jet of steam power. With the push of this button, the iron's vertical steam capacity directs a full, powerful burst of steam through the sole plate to instantly relax and remove wrinkles from fabrics. When it's done, another burst of steam helps clear the iron steam vents. To get better results when using the vertical steam, hang the garment on a clothes hanger. Hold the iron away from your body, close to but not touching the fabric. Pull the fabric tight with your free hand and pump the power shot button at 5-second intervals as you pass the iron over the wrinkled fabric. This iron has a built-in anti-drip system that provides a lifelong water seal inside the iron's body to prevent hot, unvaporized water leakage and protect your fabrics from water spotting. This is the main reason I was looking for a new iron. The iron that I had for the last 15 years started to drip, which wasn't a big deal at first, but I should have known better. One day I was sewing and I plugged in my steam iron to press a seam flat, and a stream of hot water dripped from the sole plate onto my feet. Ouch. I'm okay. I learned a valuable lesson that day. In future, I will always wear shoes when ironing, even if the iron has an anti-drip system. The Panasonic 360-degree Freestyle iron also has Stay Clean steam vents. This built-in anti-calcium system in the water reservoir continuously reduces scale buildup in the vaporizing chamber of the iron. This system makes it possible to use the steam function for a long period of time and prevent the steam vents from clogging. It has a retractable cord reel. When I'm finished with the iron, I pull the cord 5 to 10 centimeters out from the charging base, and then the cord slowly retracts into the power base to eliminate tangled, unruly power cord storage. There we go. If you're interrupted or called away while ironing and forget to unplug the charging base, don't worry. The automatic shutoff system provides a visible warning signal before the iron automatically shuts off. The iron will automatically shut itself off if it has been left on the power base longer than 10 minutes. 10 seconds before the actual shutoff, the temperature light indicator will start blinking rapidly until it goes off, and then the off light will turn on. To turn the iron on, press the set pad button until the temperature indicator moves to the next position. The desired temperature can be chosen by pushing the set pad until it lights at the appropriate position. The red temperature indicator light will blink continuously until the iron reaches its selected temperature. The light will turn on continuously when the iron has reached its selected temperature to let you know you can start ironing. The green off light turns on when the cord is plugged into the outlet, the iron has automatically shut itself off, or the iron has been manually turned off. All the lights on the iron will turn off once the iron leaves the power base. They will turn on again when the iron is placed back on the power base. Just a note, this cordless iron is not a rechargeable device. You cannot use this iron continuously without placing it on the power base. To maintain the temperature at the selected level, the iron must be energized while it rests securely on the power base. The power base is also the intended rest place for the iron. This iron is wonderful, and I'm very pleased that I ordered it. I use it on all my fabrics and sewing projects. The sole plate of this iron holds the heat for a long time so I can continuously press my sewing projects, handmade garments, and all my washed fabrics. I hope you enjoyed my Panasonic 360-degree freestyle steam iron review. Please like and share this video with your friends and family. I love sharing my new, vintage, and out-of-print sewing patterns, and my tips, tricks, quick fixes, and even my mistakes when sewing along with you. I also love sharing my wonderful fabric finds that I thrifted from charity shops, as well as brand new fabric online and in store. If you'd like to see more from Budgetsew, please subscribe and press the bell so you receive a notification when I release a new video. If you'd like to stay up to date with Budgetsew, follow me on Twitter, Instagram, and Facebook at Budgetsew. Thanks for watching. See you next time.